Developed by Microsoft, Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Windows 11 was announced back in June 2021 and is available now. Microsoft started rolling out Windows 11 to millions of eligible devices running Windows 10 as a free upgrade, but it will be mostly the new hardware that will receive the upgrade immediately. If you don't want to wait until the upgrade notification appears on Windows Update, this video will help you upgrade your PC immediately. Let's get started. Before we start, you need to make sure that your PC can run Windows 11. I have posted a video before on how to check the Windows 11 compatibility. The video link is available down in the description. You can follow the steps in that video to check if your PC can run Windows 11. If your PC meets the Windows 11 device specifications for upgrade requirements and supported features, then open your web browser. Now go to www.microsoft.com/en-us/software-download/Windows 11. On this web page, you have three options available for installing or creating Windows 11 media. As you are looking to upgrade the device you are currently using, the best option available is installing Windows 11 using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Start the process by clicking the Download Now button under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section. Clicking the Download Now button will immediately start downloading Windows 11 Installation Assistant tool to your PC. Once the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file to launch the tool. The tool will only run if you have administrator privileges. Now the tool will check if your device hardware is compatible with Windows 11. Once the tool confirms that your device meets the requirements, you will be presented with the license terms. Read the terms carefully, then click Accept and install. Now the Windows 11 Installation Assistant tool will start downloading the necessary files. It might take some time to download and install Windows 11. Once the tool is ready, click the Restart Now button to complete the installation on your computer. During the installation, your PC will restart a few times. Make sure you do not turn off your PC.